One of the most important decisions you'll face in your small business journey is choosing how to manage your finances. So a common question we hear is, should I hire a bookkeeper, bring in a CFO, or maybe even do it myself? In today's video, we're going to break down these options and when you might want to choose each one. Bookkeepers handle day-to-day tasks like recording transactions, creating invoices, reconciling accounts, and ensuring your books are accurate. So hiring a good bookkeeper can keep your data clean for you to make great decisions and free up your time to focus on growing your business. A CFO, on the other hand, provides high-level insight into your business performance and guides you in making strategic decisions like expansions into a new service line or investing in a building instead of renting. And the CFO can identify if your business is on the right track to generate profits and maintain liquidity to continue growth. The CFO can even deliver value in early stages of the business as you're considering pricing, service model, and hiring your team. And a good CFO can help your business throughout its life cycle. A do-it-yourself approach to financial management gives you ultimate control and helps you understand every detail of your business. However, it can be time-consuming and may not be sustainable as your business grows. You'd also be missing out on growth opportunities or making costly mistakes. Some business owners start this way during early stages of the business to save money before moving to an internal or outsourced solution. Explore your options, but ultimately whether you hire a bookkeeper, a CFO, or choose the DIY route, prioritize clarity and strategic planning for your business. And this will help you set up for growth and success. Want more small business insights? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.